It
So
might be good then.
we are here.
Hi
With
guys,
my
hi
cousin,
cousins.
we're cousin Mel from Cooking with Cousin Mel.
Everybody's gonna be saying you got a name change.
We're going to be making football food with for the open collaboration with Ian Good, eh, Mel?
Eating good, yeah. We're gonna do
Yeah,
it together.
yeah. So what are
Just
we
so you
making?
know that we're still together.
Yeah, we're still hanging together. That's for sure. We're making corn dogs. Melanie's making corn sausage. I'm making corn dogs.
And I got them already. How come that didn't? I got them already cut up, guys.
Yeah, I bought jumbo hot dogs. These are good for I think about 16 regular hot dogs. But I bought jumbo hot dogs and I cut them into thirds.
Oh, okay.
What do you got, Mel? You got sausage with cheese?
I got sausage. I got the Smokies.
Ooh, nice. Gonna be tasty.
I'm just wondering.
So, I'm gonna tilt down so you can see what I'm throwing in the bowl.
Well, that's what I was trying to. Okay, that's what I'm going to do too.
We can do it together. That's
Yeah.
what we're here. We're here together, Mel.
That's right.
Don't you know? Okay. So one cup. Do you want to do you want me to read it out? I got it pinned up here.
Yeah, you might as well read it out.
Okay, so 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. Casey's excited. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. A 1/4 cup of sugar.
I'm all like, I am on the ball today. Like everything's measured out.
Oh yeah, you missed one ingredient because I forgot to tell you.
What?
4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Oh, well, now I gotta walk away.
Sorry, Mel. That's my fault. I'm just mixing it together, the dry ingredients. Okay, now I have a cup of milk, and I'm putting 1 egg into my cup of milk, and I'll whisk it together before I put it in the dry.
Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing.
I gotta grab a fork. Now I'm walking away.
Woohoo!
I think this is good football food. Corn dogs. With salt and pepper to taste. Maybe I don't know, a couple of shakes of each.
Yeah, Jerry and I will still be cooking. It's just gonna be.
Our schedules are all different. But we try our best. Hey, Mel.
Yeah.
This is going to be nice and thick, so to stick to your hot dogs really well.
Yeah, with all of Magoo's sports back up and going, and
You gotta work things out from time to time.
yep.
We got these little sticks at the dollar store.
So can I put them all in together and then take them out?
It'd be hard to fish them out. I did that before. You can put in a couple at a time. I'm just putting in one at a time. But you do you, Mel.
Because they're not even covering Jerla because it's so thick.
Yeah. See, I put mine in more of a skinnier dish. Do you got a skinny cup to scoop some in?
I'll put this one in and see what happens. But it's not even covering. You can tell we're back to cooking.
Mine's all covered, man.
No, mine is so thick that it's not. It's as soon as I pull it out, all of it comes back off.
Really. Here's your lumpy. I go get them checked.
Thanks. Lumpy sausage. I'm going to add just a speck of water. Just to see if it'll give a little bit more of a consistency. Then I made them before, but it's weird.
Your hands are weird.
Kids would love making these. Same as
all the their hands and grease.
They'd be so good with for football. Remind everybody that it's got to be pre-cooked sausage.
Yeah, you have to have pre-cooked meat. You're only cooking the batter because the meat will never have enough time to cook in the amount of time that we're leaving it in there. So they have to be pre-cooked hot dogs. And if you're using sausage, pre-cooked sausage.
Yeah.
Good call there, Mel.
Because I just thought of it. I couldn't remember if we said anything or not. And I said, well, I better.
Yeah, because we were telling ourselves that, but I don't think we said it to anybody.
Big round. Is that the money shot? Oh, yeah, that looks good.
Looks good, eh?
I'm just going to turn my heat down to low. Mmm.
I love it.
Oh, they are so good.
Okay, I'm going to put them aside so I can take a picture for the thumbnail.
Jerry's making, I'm eating.
Don't forget to check out Ian's channel.
And
And don't forget to check out Cooking with Cousin Mel. And don't forget to subscribe here as well. Right, Mel? All of us.
That's right.
And thanks for the peeps that are here already, too.
Because we love you all.
Yes, we do. Peace, love, God bless. Neighbors and cousins.
See you later, cousins.